Welcome to 5 Muir Crescent, a beautiful 3+1 bedroom raised bungalow with 4 washrooms situated within the sought-after Lynde Creek community of West Whitby. With the single-car garage is driveway parking for 2 vehicles, and a tiered interlocking walkway leads to a covered front entrance, its double entry door and transom having decorative glass inserts. The foyer walls are trimmed with chair rail and picture frame moldings, and 2 sets of carpeted stairs with hardwood railings lead to both the main and lower levels. Off the main hallway is a double coat closet with mirrored doors, and the hallway, as well as the living room, showcase new hardwood flooring. Incredibly spacious, the living room enjoys abundant natural lighting through its large west-facing window, while decorative crown moldings add an elegant touch to the room, making it beautifully suited for both casual and formal entertaining. The dining room across the hall is also finished with decorative crown moldings. The lower walls are trimmed with chair rail and picture frame moldings, while for added convenience, the dining room has a stone-top servery counter with glass panel doors, and both this room and the kitchen are finished with hardwood flooring. The stunning custom kitchen showcases an abundance of cabinetry and pantry storage, as well as stone counters and a stone tile backsplash, and is brightened with pot lighting. Stainless steel appliances include an oven with gas cooktop, a new microwave range hood, a newer dishwasher, and a side-by-side fridge freezer, and completing this superb workspace is a stainless steel double sink and a peninsula with breakfast seating. The east wing of the home is where you find the 3 main level bedrooms, all which have hardwood floors, 2 washrooms, as well as a linen closet between the 2nd and 3rd bedrooms, with both of these spacious bedrooms having good-sized windows and double closets. The main 4-piece washroom has tiled finishes throughout, accent pot lighting above the vanity, as well as a bath area with sliding glass shower doors. And adjacent to it is the master bedroom. Bright and graciously sized, this bedroom showcases crown moldings, a 2-piece ensuite washroom, 2 double closets, and a sliding door walkout onto a raised deck. The deck steps down to a fully fenced backyard that features a covered wood gazebo and perennial gardens, while beyond the wrought iron fencing is an in-ground pool converted to salt water for minimal maintenance and an interlocking patio area. The pool also comes with a new safety cover, as well as a heater and an updated filter, and the home additionally features a new roof, newer front windows, and a central vacuum system with sweep pans in the kitchen and dining room. The finished lower level brings additional living and storage space to the home, has 2 washrooms, as well as an in-law suite. Off the staircase landing is a huge family recreation area that is carpeted for coziness, with a wood-burning brick fireplace for added warmth, and also features wainscoting, crown moldings, and a large west-facing window. Across from this room is storage under the staircase, a broom closet, and access to the garage, while just down the hallway is a 2-piece powder room. The furnace room also provides workshop and storage space, and has a laundry area with a front-load washer and dryer. And completing this level is an in-law suite with a carpeted living and dining area, a 3-piece washroom with a glass shower, a bedroom with a large east-facing window, as well as a kitchen with fridge, stove, and stainless steel sink. A short walk to Guthrie Park and Colonel J.E. Farewell Public School, and with Donald A. Wilson Secondary and All Saints Catholic Secondary Schools also within walking distance, this home is close to the Queen's Common Shopping Centre, sports and recreational facilities, as well as to Whitby's downtown core and its wide variety of shops, restaurants, and services. While for commuters, the GO station and access to highways 401 and the 407 are just short drives away. Thinking of selling or buying? Call Shiv Bansal at 416-704-7448.